Hello guys, it's Chow Master here. Today we have another Beyblade Iron Booster. Yeah, this is our third unboxing, so let's see what we get. Actually I forgot to cut the tape this time beforehand. That's alright though. But see, that was pretty fast. Alright. Hopefully we get something good. Anyway, let's see. Give me 1 second here. Alright. Take out the layer. Alright, that opened up right away. Alright. Let's see what we get. And, oh, nice. That's a Curvius. Definitely something I wanted. Alright, that's a black one, so let's see what we got for that. The disc, that's the layer. What disc was it? Hold on. Okay, I really hate how they package these discs. Just saying. Is that heavy, I think? Yep. That's alright, that's heavy. Alright, and then the driver is Survive? Possibly? Hold on. Yep, Survive. Cool. Alright, now let me just put this thing together. I have a couple more of these to open up, so yeah. Pretty excited about those. Hopefully one of these contains Trident Heavy Claw. I want that one really badly. Anyway, this thing looks pretty cool. So anyway guys, that's it for this one, so comment, thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.